Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to find products that are making around 10 to 20,000 a month. Even if they're making less, I also want to show you basically how you can calculate how much money they're making, and also how much they spend on the ads, how much they paid per click. So I just want to show you this. So if you haven't watched the last video, you can watch it, but essentially what you want to do is this is called the Facebook graph tool, and if you come in here you can type these words in that basically allow you to find ads for free without having to use any other tools. So adjusting this, so once you come in, I'm just going to look at this one for example. So you want to come in public posts, by the way, so that you can do this. And I'm just going to take a look at this one here. You can see this is a video, and if we just take this up, we can actually see how many clicks they got. So I'm just going to control copy that. Okay, so they got 2,600 likes. You also want to check the page likes. You can see they got 92 million likes. So this is actually really bad. Okay, so this is pretty bad. I'm not going to look at that one actually, because you always want to keep into account how many likes the page has. If it has over 10 million likes and it only has 2,000 likes, that's an extremely bad engagement rate, and it's most likely not even an ad. So let's take a look at this one. Farm truck. Okay, they got 2 million likes. This is pretty bad as well. Okay, let's take a look at this. 11 likes, 11,000, 6,000. Yeah, I'm gonna say this one's probably a, like an ad. Alright, because the ratio is a bit lower compared to how many likes they have on the page. So let's take a look here. Shop Dolphins. Yeah, this is a Shopify store, so this is definitely not a brand. So what I can do is I'm just going to copy this, control copy, and you can see there's people reviewing it here, saying amazing grace, actually praising the idea behind the ring. So you can see it's pretty cool. So sometimes you might want to look at the reviews on the page, gives you a cool idea. And you can see it's got 11,000 likes, 14 shares, 89 comments. Okay, amen. Amen order here. So yeah, so this is one way you can get people to buy your stuff. So I'm just gonna come in. So now I want to find out how many clicks they got on that, because you'll notice that sometimes there's no shop now button, so you can't really tell how many clicks it has. So this one has 170 clicks. Okay, it's got 11,000 likes, 89 comments, 14 shares. And one thing you can actually do is, so you can see most of the likes came from Facebook. So it came from Facebook, and we've got mobile.facebook. And what you want to do is, you really want to keep this number in mind. So now we know this got 170 clicks and 11,000 people liked this. Let's take a look at who liked it. And so once you have the likes, you can actually get a good idea of how well the ad is performing. So this one's performing not too bad. I mean, they got 11,000 likes. So normally when you see this, it means they get the likes from other places. So they might run as an engagement ad first, and then link clicks, or just an engagement ad. So that's probably why they only got 170 clicks, because this is not that's not that good at all. Okay, so we're just gonna look at some other ones instead and see if we can find a better one. So we got another one here. So lazy neck phone stand. See, this one's got 1,000 likes. Alright, now I love cuddling. Let's see how many likes the page has. Probably none or very little. So I'm just gonna copy that. So I'm just gonna paste it. And now once we know how many likes it has, I can kind of predict how many clicks it gets to, every day, and how much they pay. So this one's got 7,000 clicks. Alright, so you can see this is an ad that you want to look at. Alright, so the one before has 170 clicks and it had 11,000 likes. This one has 1,000 likes, 3,000 comments, 500 shares, and 155,000. So this is a very good ad. I'm actually saved this myself. Let's take a look. I might save this video. So this is a pretty nice ad. Let's actually look at the landing page. So you can see this one's got 7,375 clicks. That is extremely good. That's very impressive. So one other way you can actually check how much traffic the website gets. So you can see in January 2018, it got 7,000 clicks, Okay, they still got the Shopify logo here. I'm just gonna not allow this. Okay, so the next step we want to do is we actually want to take this website, and I want to get an idea of how much traffic they get every day. So to do that, I'm just going to go to this website. It's called My IPS, and it's going to give me like a rough estimate of how much traffic they get to their website. Usually it's more, they're usually getting more traffic than what they document on this website. So I'm just going to Control V that. Okay, we can do a Whois lookup. And so you can see it says here 3,800 visitors per day. Alright, but since I've heard a lot of people tell me that this is a low ball, so we can probably assume it gets about 5 to 10,000 visitors per day. And you can assume that as well. So this is like a low ball number. I mean, which is kind of better, because I'd rather have a low ball than, you know, them telling me it's getting 10,000. But anyway, so when you look in here, so you can see they got a whole bunch of products. Alright, so you know, just from this one ad, got 7,000 clicks. Okay, and that probably means if they're getting 3,000 visitors a day, they probably they probably have a whole bunch of other successful products. Alright, so you can see we've got sushi roller. So this seems like a general store. Okay, this is a general store, and I think one other thing you might want to do is, because now we can see this ad is good, we got a good video, they're getting extremely good engagement. This is excellent engagement, and we can actually look at the page and see if they got any other ads. So I know I'm kind of exposing this page, but this is kind of what you want to do in your own time to find out which, I mean, once you find a good one like this, because this one is really good, we can actually go to the next step and really exploit them. Well, exploit you know, what they got going here. So you can see this one's got nearly 1 million likes. That's pretty insane. But I'm just gonna try and find some of their other stuff. So let's see. I'm just gonna go to posts. In fact, I think I might find there might be an easy way to do this. So we're gonna go to posts, and you might have to scroll down a little bit to actually find the one. So here we go, we got one here. This one's got 171 likes, 94. This one's not as good, but I'm just gonna check it out anyway, just in case. So it's actually a good thing that they're putting these Google shortener URLs in there, because it actually allows us to basically track how many clicks they're getting. So if you're doing if you're running paid traffic, just know people can actually track this. So I can see how many clicks you get to your website from particular ad. This one has 500 clicks, which is okay, which is nothing compared to this one. So this one's a lot better. Okay, and we're just gonna scroll down more. So it seems like they're probably posting, you know, like an ad every like 3 posts. So here we got another one. This one's not good at all. This one's got 6 likes, so I'm not gonna look at that one. Here we got a guitar player. Alright, I'm probably not gonna go with this one. So it doesn't look like they're using ads. Okay, so you can see this page is actually not using ads, and they're just using organic reach to get these likes, views, and, you know, shares and comments. Here we got one person, it doesn't work. I was stupid enough to buy it. So yeah, so make sure you check the comments as well, just in case. You know, you get stuff like that coming up. But and obviously if you can and if you want, no, you can actually buy the products yourself and just test them out to see if they actually work. Okay, and yeah, so let's go to the next ones. So I'm actually going to leave this one for now, so you get the idea. You want to do this for per page. So I'm just going to scroll down a little bit more and look at some other ones. So here we got t-shirt. Let's see, I'm going to go with this one. This one seems better. It says Don't Stop Believing, Cryptozoology Club. It's got 9,000 likes. This has 1,500 likes. It's probably not an ad. So they made it a bit difficult to copy this. So I'm just going to copy that. Control C. And then I want to see how many likes these guys get. I mean, how many clicks they get. .info, and this is going to show me the number of clicks. You see he's got 200 clicks, which is okay. And by the way, you might get lucky sometimes and you'll see an actual ad. So you'll see it will say like shop now here, but you don't always see those. But also keep in mind, sometimes they run them. That's why you want to look at the page likes. Always look at the page likes. If you don't see it, like the last one, you're gonna have to go into it to see how many likes this page has. Otherwise, you want to know if it's organic likes or if it's paid likes. The best way is to do that is to do it through checking their page likes. So if they got 1 million likes and this has like, you know, 200,000, it could be organic. Probably not, but it could be. But if they got 1 million likes here and the page has only like 2,000 likes or 10,000, then you already know it's paid. So you don't have to, you know, try and figure stuff out. You know it's paid, so you know this is definitely an ad. So this is not an ad as well. So we can see this page has 1.2 million likes. So we don't have to, you know, there's no guesswork here. This is not an ad. Someone probably paid them for a shout out. Let's go to the next one. So we got this one. This one is pretty cool. I noticed I'm always clicking on the ones with emojis, but and then we got these ones here. This might be an ad. Nope, it's not. But let's see if you can actually find an ad. But yeah, so the main thing you want to do is check the page likes. Okay, 100,000. This is not an ad. Check the .info, see how many clicks they're getting, and then you can also check the website traffic, see how many visitors they're getting per day, and then you can actually, the next step is, so you can find out how much money this website is making. Okay, so if we assume a 5% conversion rate, average product is, let's just say $10, even though it's more. Let's go with $10. I'm actually going to go to Google. I'm going to calculate this. So we're going to go to Google and calculate at $10 how much money this website is making. So $10. Let's go low. This is a low. This website is probably getting like 10,000 visitors a day, but I'm gonna lowball it and say it's getting, you know, 4,000. You know, like it says here. So we want to go. So we actually want to use the calculator on Google. Calculator. So we're gonna assume that 5% of people purchase. So my math is not too good, but I'm just gonna try this. I'm gonna go 5%. That's 200. Okay, so we're gonna do 200 times what was it, $10 product. So we're gonna assume 200 people purchase, which is $2,000 a day. Not too bad, right? That's at $10. Imagine we took it even way down. Let's say we took it way down. Let's say we did 4,000 times, let's say 1% of people purchased, times 10, that is $400 per day. Alright, so you can see even at a 1% conversion rate is doing pretty good. You know, if we looked at a 0.5% conversion rate, it will probably be like 200. Okay, but this is all lowballed, by the way. So this website is probably making like $5,000 a day. That's my estimate, and you can actually track all this through these clicks and using .info. But yeah, that's all I got for now. Make sure you use this tool. It's a free tool by Facebook. It's called the Facebook Graph Tool, and you can find these ads that are actually making money. Okay, and you can use the steps I showed you by checking the page likes, checking the clicks they're getting, checking the daily traffic, checking the website, you know, calculating the conversion rates, how much money they make. And you can actually figure out how much money, you know, this website actually makes without any guesswork, by lowballing it. Alright, so make sure you leave a comment below, just like, subscribe, and you can actually follow my Facebook page. I'm gonna start going live every Thursday, so you can turn on notifications, and yeah, so make sure you turn on notifications on the channel, subscribe as well, so that you can see the future posts. Anyway, that's all I got for now, and speak soon.